Today we're going to talk about the perfect duos. Hi, I'm Manuela Marcheggianni from Isomers Skincare. Today we're going to talk about the perfect duos or the perfect pairings in your skincare routine. What goes really well with another. And as a cosmetic chemist and scientist and been working with skincare and formulating for over 30 years, there are a few tips and tricks and insight that I may have and I want to share with you here so that you can actually get more performance out of your skincare, right? So one of the very first things I want to dive into is one of my most ideal or perfect pairings or duos, and that is going with a glycolic acid or an alpha hydroxy acid before you use your vitamin C serum or vitamin C product. So this is a really good pairing and a really good duo. So from our line, I like using our glycolic drops with our vitamin C and ferulic. Now, the reason for this is vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C, works really well in an acidic environment. It needs that acidic environment. The pH needs to be lower so that it actually can be the antioxidant that brightens your skin and works on that collagen. But many times when you're washing your skin or cleansing your skin, the pH of that product could be too high or not acidic enough for the vitamin C to work. So one thing that I like to do to ensure that little extra boost is after I cleanse my skin, I put on a little bit of the glycolic drops. This is going to drop the pH of your skin, and then you're going to be able to put your vitamin C on, and now your vitamin C is going to work. So if you're spending a lot of time and money and effort on a vitamin C product, but you are putting it on skin that the pH is not correct or optimal for it to perform, that could be why your vitamin C isn't working. That could be why your skin isn't as bright or as smooth or as resilient as it should be based on that vitamin C science and technology. So this is one of the perfect pairings that I think is really important, and you get so much more performance out of your skincare. Another pairing that I absolutely love, okay, is utilizing, again, sodium hyaluronic or hyaluronic acid technology with a cream. Now, I love using a hyaluronic serum. So what we have here is our H-PUR 100. We also have the multi-molecular sodium hyaluronate. Hyaluronate is a moisture binder. It brings in 1,000 times its weight in moisturization. However, if you were to put it on very dry skin, it's not really going to perform very well. And if you just leave it alone without a moisturizer or a cream on top, it actually starts to dissipate. It actually isn't going to give you that moisturization that you need. So the perfect way to use your hyaluronate and to increase the moisture content of your skin, smooth out your lines and wrinkles, plump up your skin, this is the pairing. You cleanse your skin, you leave it a little damp. That's really important. So your skin is a little damp. Then you're going to put your sodium hyaluronate on, your serum with your hyaluronate. You put that on, and then you're going to make sure that you follow up with a cream. Think of it as a moisture sandwich. You've got your moist skin or damp skin, that sodium hyaluronate that's going to bring in many times its moisture, and you're going to kind of entrap it in there between your skin and the cream. That's going to hold that moisture, that water there. That's going to help plump up the skin. That's going to give you more performance. So that's boosting the hydration, smoothing out the skin, adding resilience, adding luminosity even, because it's going to just give you much more radiance. That's a really good pairing. Another really good pairing, this is my personal kind of preference, is a copper peptide. So this is copper and trace minerals. This is used for collagen quality. It's used for antioxidant. It's also used for sensitive skin and problematic skin. So I love this as a balancing serum. And I love using the copper peptide technology with a collagen peptide technology. So my peptide serum with a peptide cream that's a bit of an occlusive barrier. I like doing this because I like, again, to really get the peptides and that softening agent in there, along with the moisturization and the occlusive barrier of the cream to really help, just boost the barrier function and really turbocharge the activity of the copper, of the antioxidants, of the peptides. And finally, not that it's the least important, but it's just the last one we're going to talk about, is the pairing that goes with sunscreen. We hear a lot about sunscreen, how important it is, right? So you want sunscreen, you want a mineral-based sunscreen, you want a full spectrum sunscreen, you want to utilize it. What I find really helps boost sunscreen performance and also just gives you a little bit more resilience and protection to your skin, I like to do this, is to use my antioxidant with my sunscreen or before my sunscreen. So I love using my vitamin C and Ferulic in the daytime before my sunscreen. So this really gives a boost to the sunscreen and to its activity. I just think it helps to enhance the performance of everything. So I hope you enjoyed these perfect duos or these perfect pairings. There are other ones that are a little bit more complicated, but I think these are really good fundamental basic ones to, even if you use one or two of them right now, you're going to start to see a big difference in how your skin responds to your skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any more questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us or email us or reply below. And if you like our channel and if you like more of these videos, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.